I have a ffmv164lsa, it keeps blowing the fuse.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
A week.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The fuse burned, I replaced it. The clock came back on, but as soon as I started the microwave it blew the fuse.
What's the microwave's make and model? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Frigidaire ffmv164lsa, about 2 years old.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Okay.
If the fuse blows as soon as you start the microwave, it means that either one of your 3 door switches has failed, or your magnetron is grounded out and needs to be replaced. You'll need to take the microwave apart and use a multimeter to test the door switches to determine if one of them is bad or if you need a new magnetron. Below is a video that shows you the process of testing the door switches if you have a multimeter. If you find one bad, just replace it. If they all test good, then replace the magnetron. Click here for video. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Door switches are okay. How do I test the magnetron?
You could just unplug the wires to the microwave and run the unit and see if it no longer blows the fuse.
Is there a video for that?
There is not, unfortunately, but the magnetron is in the back on the right side, so the entire unit would need to be uninstalled and the outer shell removed in order to access the part to unplug it. Below is a link to the magnetron so you can see what you're looking for. Click here for video.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.